The 2018 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, climate control, front-wheel drive. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.